Hi everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. This is your first time checking out my channel. Welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today is VEDA number 25, and I am so excited to come to you today. Did you know that today is National Zucchini Bread Day? Yes, it is. And if you've never tried it before, now would be a great time to consider trying it out. I have a recipe that I'm going to share with you guys. And if you like it, try it out and then let me know what you think. There are quite a few ingredients, so I did take a picture to show you the ingredients, and then I will break it up into wet ingredients versus dry ingredients so that it will not be too overwhelming. So come along with me and see how I put together this wonderful and delicious zucchini bread. All right, come on. I am back and I have my zucchini bread with me. You see, my piece is almost gone. It is really, really delicious, guys. It's really, really good. So I hope you'll consider giving it a try. Mm, just yummy. Mm. So who would have thought? National Zucchini Bread Day. Awesome, right? Okay, let's take a look at our microgreens so that you can see how they're doing today. I'm really excited because I'm starting to see that the different parts of the seed quilt are plumping up some. So that means that the seeds have started to sprout. So I'm really excited. And I'm hoping that after a few more days, we'll be able to see more and more of what's going on. So yes, exciting news, right? Okay, let's take a look at our puzzle solution for yesterday. And here's what I came up with. And here is our puzzle for today. Isn't that awesome, guys? The puzzles and everything, I'm really, really enjoying it. I see that you guys are too. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys, again, watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up, and leaving the comments. It really means so much to me. There are a lot of things you guys could be doing with your time, and I really do appreciate you just hanging out for a little bit. Okay, that's all I have for today. I want each and every one of you to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, be crafty every day. I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Bye-bye now.